In this video, we're going to be talking about how I use US30 as a leading index to help me figure out how to take trades on NASDAQ, okay? So I'm going to get into the video. We're going to break down why it works, how you can use it, and basically I'm going to show you some results of what the trades I took this week and how it helped me make money on my accounts this week. So let's go ahead and get into it. If you're new here, subscribe. Welcome to the tribe. Let's get straight into it, man. So we're going to go all the way back to Tuesday. This is the trade that I caught on Tuesday using US30 as a leading index. So let me go ahead and back it up to 9 a.m. Back it up a little bit more. Okay. So boom. Mind you, you still want to make sure that you're marking up your support and resistance. You still want to make sure that you're following your strategy, right? You want to make sure that you're looking for your swing highs of the previous days. You want to look for your liquidity sweeps. You want to look for your market structure. Whatever you trade, this is just something that you can add to it, right? You don't want to go based off of US30 buying. So now I'm going to go ahead and buy NASDAQ, right? It is very high likely, but I'm going to teach you guys how to use this. But you always also want to use your strategy because it's best to have more confluence than just one confluence. Okay, so right now let's zoom in. Let's zoom in on this. Mind my voice because I'm a little sick right now, so I'm a little under the weather, but we still gonna get this knowledge out for you. Still gonna get this video out for you. You already know how it goes. Right now the time is 9:15. So what we're gonna do is go to the next candle, right? 9:20. I'm on a 5-minute time frame because I want to show you guys exactly the entry that I caught as well. All right. So 9:25. Let's go to US30, see what it's doing. US30 already made a bigger move. You see this big impulsive candle here on US30? It already made that big move, right? So if I go over another candle, boom, it shot all the way up. US30 shot all the way up. It broke these highs here. So these highs are already broken, okay? And it's all the way at the top. So if I go back to NASDAQ, I see that NASDAQ was selling. When I saw this, I also have a trend line here as well. So I have a trend line right here that lines up with this structure. I was like, okay, cool. US30 is buying, right? And this thing is liquidating downwards. You feel me? Next candle, I got in around here. I got in on this candle here. Next candle, it started to shoot up. Once I seen US30 buying, I already got in. Now US30 is selling to pull back just to basically do a fib retracement like this. So you got a swing low down here to a swing high up here. It's going to retrace about to the 382 or the 0.5. And if you guys want to learn how to use Fibonacci, I got a video on that. You guys can go check my channel out to go watch that video to learn how to use the Fibonacci strategy. Okay. So from that, let's go another candle. It's going to pull back some more. See it pull back to the 0.5 and shot back up. So now on NASDAQ, all I'm doing is waiting for this thing to follow up, basically copy what US30 is doing. So if I keep moving in the time frame, boom, boom, it's shooting up, and eventually it goes to TP, okay? And now while it's at TP, US30 is already shot up, it's already doing what it's doing. Now it's consolidating its way to come back down. Now over here on the 5-minute time frame, what you could have done also is you could have grabbed a fib and put a fib here as well to this zone, have it pull back to this area here, and then catch it like that. 1, 2, 3, all TPs would have hit the same way. Okay, so that's the first example that I'm going to show you guys. The next example is going to be the next day. So let's get straight into it. All right, so that was Tuesday. Now we're on Wednesday's trade. Wednesday's trade, same exact thing, right? I'm looking for US30's indication of the direction. I'm going to line it up with my strategy and my swing highs and my trend lines and whatever I'm going to add it to my chart. Once I see that, then I'm going to get inside of the trade. Simple. Okay. So right now the time is 8:45, right? 9 o'clock. I got a little trend line right here that lines up with Tuesday and Monday. Okay. So we're going to continue to ride this trend line. Okay. So let's go to US30 and see what it's doing. So US30 is selling off right now, pulling back. Let's go down to the 5-minute. 930 candle opens up and it shoots down. Okay, what is Nasdaq doing? Nasdaq is also shooting down. Now I see this, I'm like, okay, let me wait a little bit. And then I see a wick like that. Let's go to US30 again. I see US30 pull all the way back up. Okay, so I'm still waiting, being patient. I usually don't trade the first 15 minutes of the market open, just because it's so volatile. So boom, we waiting. See, market came down there. All right, now 9:55 right now. Market came down again. On US30 though, US30 is still making that structure to the upside. So I'm liking that, still making that structure to the upside. So like, I'm okay. Boom, boom. I believe US30 shot up some more here, because that's the only reason why I would have took this trade. Yep, it shot up a lot more and continued to shoot up. So that was when I got in the trade. I got in the trade here. Also, I could have grabbed the fib here to here, catch that 382 pullback, and also buy it up. See, continue to go up. Actually came back down to entry and then shot up some more. And at that time, if I go back to US30, it already made highs. Now it's making structure to create a support. So from this area here, it could go up because it already broke that high, which it did. Continue to retest this same zone and continue to go up. If I go back to Nasdaq now, you can see even right here, I got out the trade because I already made profit here. I took another entry here because what I seen this zone right here. I'm like, okay, boom, that's a swing high, swing low, break of swing high, retest. So I'm like, okay, I'm gonna get this retest right here, and I caught some buys off of that. Boom. Just by me seeing what US30 was doing, I'm like, okay, this thing is just shooting up and it keeps going up. So let me align my strategy with buys because I see that going on US30. Boom. So that was Wednesday's trade. And just to show you guys that I'm not bluffing, let me go to Top Step and show you guys the trade that I took. In this combine, this was Tuesday. You can see MNQ. I got in for longs, buys, made 500 on that combine. Wednesday, longs, made 600 on that combine. And today's trade, we're gonna go ahead and break that down today. Today, I did not make no profit because I had moved my stop loss to entry. I'm gonna explain to you guys and show you guys why that was. Coming down 945, 950. Let's go to US30, see what it's doing. US30, US30 at market open shot up. You go to Nasdaq. Nasdaq shot down. Continue to shoot down. Okay. So I'm like, okay, boom, let's wait a little bit more. Like I said, I don't trade the first 15 minutes of market open. So I'm just being patient. Okay, made a pullback and it started to go up at 10 o'clock. US30 was already making its swing highs. It's already making that bullish structure for longs. I'll go back to Nasdaq. It's dropped down. Let me move this out the way. It's just in the way. Started seeing, okay, around 10 o'clock, market pulled back. This is pretty clean. So if I took my fib right here to right there, come down to the 682. Okay, we got a little wick, a long wick right here, projecting those sells. So the bars are pushing it back up. So let's go to US30 and see. US30 is still holding strong. US30 is just making like clean moves. Like I like NASDAQ because NASDAQ is a little bit more volatile. It'll catch a longer move. But US30 is more clean. So if you're putting a lot of money in, I would say to trade with US30, which would be the best option because US30 is very expensive pair. But if you're scalping or if you're trying to just catch longer moves, NASDAQ is the way to go. It's a little bit more volatile. As you can see, it's like a lot of shit going on right here. If you go to US30, you're like, okay, it's just going up. Right here, you're like, okay, it's going up, it's going down, it's going up. It looks like it's going bearish, but I see US30 is already bullish. So guess what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna get in for buys. So let's get it. Started doing whatever, started dancing a little bit, aim down, right? If I got in right here, I must have seen a good push up. So US30 started pushing up, breaking more highs. So I'm getting in on NASDAQ. I'm in, right? Started pushing up more. Boom, TP hit, simple as that. Now this is today's trade, right? This is today's trade. I got in around here. Over here, I got in, and then it pulled back. I moved my stop loss to entry, and the trade basically continued without me. So I just basically made like 40 bucks instead of like making any type of profit for real. Then this should be live like right now, coming up. But yeah, this is live right now. So I got in right here. You can see on the dashboard as well. I made $42 today, taking 3 trades. They were all long on MNQ as well. Okay. So they actually went up in profit and then they came back down. Pretty good. You know what I'm saying? What I do is just follow US30 this week. This has worked for me. You feel me? So I just want to go ahead and share this with you guys and maybe give you guys a little bit more insight on how it can help you as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, go ahead and drop it in the comment section below. Drop what you need help with in trading. We have a Discord as well. So if you guys want to join that, go ahead and comment Discord and I can hook you up. Follow me on social media platforms. Appreciate y'all for watching me. Hope y'all take care of yourself. Hope y'all get to this money. Take care.